Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you all know, today I'm gonna do swatches and review on Colourpop Lux lipsticks, and I have 8 shades out of 24. This is how the packaging is from outside, nice and simple. You can see shade on one side with the name on it. Let's see it from the inside. Beautiful rose gold packaging, stars all over it. Feels so good in hands, very luxurious feeling. Even the stars are engraved on the bullet itself. Packaging is great, I must say. These are the swatches on my hand, all the 8 shades. Let's try on the lips. These lipsticks are very smooth and creamy. Pigmentation is great, feels so good on the lips. I did a wear test for a few shades and they lasted pretty well for a creamy matte lipstick. So they are long lasting, as the company says. And while swatching, I noticed that every single shade stained my lips, though I don't mind that, but thought to share it with you guys. I found them totally worth the money. Enjoy the swatches. That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.